Hi friends, welcome back to Vishal SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the CPU throttling test comparison between the Realme X1 Max versus OnePlus Nord 2. So let's see why the OnePlus Nord 2 is getting blasted and what will be the temperatures between these both phones if you're trying to do the CPU throttling test. That is what my main idea of comparing between these both phones. So during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the high performance mode in both phones. Let's see friends which phone gets higher temperatures very fast. That is the reason I thought of using this stopwatch as well, so to get to know clear idea what is going on and which phone reaches highest point. Try to remember. So right now let me try to first go to the settings option in both phones and enable the option which is called the high performance mode, which is present in this battery, and more battery options and high performance mode. As you can see, both phones it enabled with the high performance mode at this moment, and let me try to enable the CPU throttling test. So here's a CPU throttling test application which I'm going to use. Exactly same settings I'll try to use between these both phones. Always watch it. 100 threads and 15 minutes I'll try to run. 100 threads and 15 minutes between these both phones. Exactly OnePlus Nord 2, Realme X1 Max. And first let me try to check the temperatures, what is happening between both phones as well. And brightness I did keep around close to 50% brightness. Nothing much major. I'm not keeping 100%, exactly 50% brightness only I'm trying to keep. So using this kind of scenario, let's see which phone increases high temperatures. Right now 28.6 degrees Celsius, 29.2 degrees Celsius. So it's kind of little bit kind of close, not a huge difference. As you can see friends, how the things are going on between both phones. Let me do yes. Yeah, 28.6 and backs at 28.4, and OnePlus Nord 2 28.8 and 28.8. You can see now it became 28.8 little bit. Let me try to disable auto already. Yes. So now let's see how much difference is going to be there in terms of the temperatures wise between these both phones. Let's start one more thing. I'll try to turn off the fan as well, so I don't want to have any kind of fan or no AC, no cooler in my room. That's how I'll be trying to do this kind of CPU throttling test, extreme testing which I'm trying to do at this moment. So let me try to start the test at same time 1, 2 and 3. And my room temperature, try to look at the room temperature, it's of close to 27 degrees Celsius. As you can see clearly, 27 degrees Celsius, and stopwatch is also started just now. Sorry, I think I did start a little bit kind of late. But right now using the high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max and high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2, one thing is pretty clear. If you enable the high performance mode, this performance is really very much far higher than the Realme X1 Max. Yes, very much. I did observe that kind of thing in the OnePlus Nord 2 from the beginning of usage. As soon as you enable the high performance mode, the performance will be increased a lot in the OnePlus Nord 2. But in the Realme X1 Max, you cannot find that a significant amount of increase. It will increase, but not a lot of increase. That's what I meant. And that also results in the higher temperatures in the OnePlus Nord 2. So you should definitely understand. Let me try to keep side. And the temperatures try to observe 31 degrees, okay? The Realme X1 Max, 31.4. Look at the OnePlus Nord 2, reached 33 degrees Celsius within close to 1 minute of time. As you can see friends, in 1 minute of time, the temperature increased to 34 degrees. So starting with the 29 degrees and now it's 34. So 5 degrees increased in just 1 minute. 32 degrees, the Realme X1 Max. And OnePlus Nord 2, 34.2 degrees Celsius, 34.6. So you can try to look at the performance scores and results and everything. You will be able to definitely understand the performance is slightly kind of very high and close to the 100%. It's maintaining really high level of performance. And 35.4 degrees Celsius and 32.6 degrees Celsius, 32.8 degrees Celsius. You can see the difference how it's happening. 35.6 is the highest temperatures recorded. So using with the high performance mode. So for example, I did upload a video on this ANTUTU benchmark test using high performance mode and without high performance mode in the Realme X1 Max, and the results were I think close to only 7,000 difference is there, okay? With using and without using difference in the ANTUTU benchmark scores. But in the OnePlus Nord 2, without using high performance mode, the ANTUTU benchmark score is 6 lakhs. With using high performance mode, it is 6,70,000. So 70,000 increased in this phone just because of high performance mode. In this device only it increased 7,000. So you can try to compare how much powerful it can be the high performance mode in this device. That's the reason I did mention a couple of times not to use high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2 unless it is necessary. And I did upload the video as well on the OnePlus Nord 2 tips and tricks how not get your phone blasted. So make sure to watch this video, tips and tricks, and that might be helpful for a lot of other users. And 34.6 degrees Celsius and 37.6 degrees Celsius, you can see. So 3 degrees higher in the OnePlus Nord 2. Is close to 38 degrees Celsius as well. 37.8, 37.4, 38.2 also it reached 38.2 within 3 minutes of time, 35.2. So that even the Realme X Max is increasing the temperature, but it's not increasing like instant. It's taking step-by-step process, and it's kind of slowly increasing the performance, and it's going in a smooth manner. So I'm going to be back after some time, maybe close to 10 minutes of time, then I'll try to discuss more details. So right now we are close to exactly 8 minutes of time, 40.8 degrees the OnePlus Nord 2 increased, 41.4, and the Realme X Max went up to 38.4 degrees Celsius. Realme X Max, as you can see, 38.4. This phone is not allowing us to increase high temperatures. As you can see, this phone, it's not increasing high temperatures at all. It's maintaining very low temperatures. So the OnePlus should give any kind of update to maintain low temperatures. That's what I'm expecting, maybe in the next couple of updates, to maintain really low temperature. You can see, friends, 41.4. And clearly see, with the same processor, Dimensity 1200, how it's reacting here and how it's behaving in this phone. So again, I'll be back after some time. So after 13 minutes, the temperature went up to 42.4 degrees Celsius, 42.8 degrees as well. As you can see, the phone is slightly kind of burning at this moment, 42.8 degrees. So close to 43 degrees, and Realme X Max also trying to increase. Right now it's kind of close to 40.8 degrees Celsius. It's kind of close to 41 and 43 degrees Celsius. As you can see the difference. Right now both phones are going under extreme pressure, but you can definitely see. So 3 degrees is higher in the OnePlus Nord 2 device than the Realme X Max device in this situation exactly. So again, I'll be back after some time. And right now we are getting close to end of the benchmark results as well, and we'll be able to see the temperatures getting slightly kind of low as well at this moment, decreasing at the end of the temperatures. So overall, friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 is increasing slightly higher temperatures with the same task which I'm trying to do in the Realme X Max. You can see how much difference it is between these both phones. And finally we got the results as well. CPU total up to 79% in the OnePlus Nord 2, and the backside temperatures of 40.8 degrees Celsius. It's really very high in the OnePlus Nord 2, and Realme X Max is 39.8 degrees Celsius. So friends, both phones did increase high temperatures. There is no doubt using high performance mode, but the thing is that which phone has got how much kind of faster increasing the temperatures. So OnePlus Nord 2 did increase very fast. It went up to high temperatures. That can be a result because of the high performance as well. So if you try to observe the CPU totaling 79% and CPU total up to 83% of this peak performance, but try to look at the maximum score, 3,68,000 versus 3,34,000. And average is 3 lakhs it maintained in the Realme X Max, but it maintained in the 3,26,000 in the OnePlus Nord 2. So everything is quite good. So you can see the graph how it's maintaining, how it got decreased a little bit. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between the both phones regarding the heating test using the CPU totaling test using high performance mode in these both phones. So definitely the performance is really high. That resulted in the high temperatures than usual. That's the thing. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible on your request. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.